recording.
Oh.
Good.
Right on them.
Yeah, wind is. This one you can't do the 1.5, right?
No, on aperture mode, no.
Well, it's going to show up really close once I get it at the house.
Yeah, you could zoom in more, and I'm sure it would look really nice.
You're zoomed all the way out, right?
Yeah, it's zoomed all the way.
Would the other one get that close?
Nope.
All right. Every time we come here, it's windy. Although that's better than not being windy, I guess.
Yeah,
This is a humid, hot day.
I can see the one kingbird. There's also like two, I think two.
Two babies in there?
Yeah, they're young.
Yeah.
Probably are not able to fly yet.
So you think that's an adult sitting on the edge of the...
Yeah.
Probably staying right there, trying to keep their birds, their babies from getting blown out of the tree. Because they're probably getting close to where they can fly.
And I can see they have mostly just down on them.
Yeah.
I don't...
So they're not ready to fly just yet.
Yeah.
Getting close, I think. There's all those blackbirds or starlings or whatever over there. Grackles and those ones. They like all that water. Did you stop recording?
Not yet.
What are you doing? Bringing it in? Or out? Whatever?
Yeah.
Are you stopping it?
Yeah.